chutney recipe, that is onion chutney. This is a typical South Indian style where garlic is not used. If garlic is optional, if you want you can use, that's all. But here I am not using garlic, and instead of green chilli I am using red chilli, and it's really a tasty chutney which you can go along with rice or dosas or chapati, etc. Now let us see how to prepare this particular onion chutney, particular style of onion chutney. The following are the ingredients for preparing the same. Here I have taken little coconut oil for frying all these items, then little salt for taste, little chana dal, little urd dal, little coriander, little curry leaves, and around 10 to 12 red chilli, and finally for garnishing, seasoning, mustard, coconut oil and red chilli. Here I have taken around 1 bowl of onion, that is around 250 grams of onion. Now let us see how to prepare this particular style of onion chutney. Now we'll just add this coconut oil towards it. Urad dal, coriander, chana dal, red chilli, small onion, and it has started turning golden brown. Now slowly we'll just switch off the gas and wait for another 10-15 minutes so that it gets cooled down. Onion items have been cooled. Now we'll just grind everything and we'll add this salt towards it. Season it, adding little curry leaves. Very tasty chutney along with dosas or chapatis, or again along with rice also you can have it. So nice to be with you. Good day. Thank you.